For University of Illinois Extension, I'm Todd Gleason. The rainfall in May and June has put the corn crop in a difficult position this growing season. Late in June, the corn crop in eastern Illinois, north of Interstate 74, was underwater. It looked really bad. Oh, there was some of it that looked pretty good, but not much. Things across the border in Indiana, well, they're not much better, and neither, apparently, is a large part of Missouri and southern Illinois. The crop has just gotten way too much water, says University of Illinois Extension agronomist Emerson Nafziger.
This is one of those times when just the consequences of having a foot or so of rain during the month of June is not something we would ever choose to have, and this year it's going to have a really serious effect on the crop.
There are two primary concerns related to corn. The moisture is a great haven for the development of disease. The other concern, and this may be more important moving through July and August, is that the root system of the crop hasn't had any need to develop. Not just the roots of the corn underwater, but of the whole corn crop from Missouri to Ohio.
The closer we get to pollination, the slower this root regrowth is going to be and the less potential there is to recover a healthy root system on this crop. And that could come back to really hurt us later in the season because we're going to have a crop that's not very resilient if we get periods of dry weather. A crop in the first week of August can't really start to grow its root system deeper. It doesn't have the capability to do that anymore.
Therein lies the new concern for the waterlogged corn crop. It looks now as if there may be a change in the weather pattern. Mike Tenora of T-Storm Weather in Chicago has been talking about this on the radio.
We know a hot area of upper level high pressure is going to drive the U.S. weather pattern over the next couple of weeks and probably beyond that, but its location is key. Right now, we think it will center somewhere near Nebraska, Kansas, and out of the west, which would just keep things warm, but not too warm. But any deviation in that system, one way or the other, will lead to dramatic weather forecast changes over the next few weeks.
So, too much rain has stressed the corn crop from Missouri to Ohio. It's about to pollinate and then begin grain fill. Even if the weather only turns hot, it could be a compounding problem. For University of Illinois Extension, I'm Todd Gleason.